Hello, what's up, people? So once again, you are welcome back to Crypto Denzel TV. So guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly subscribe to the channel, like my videos, comment on my videos, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon for more updates whenever I release a new video on how to make money online. So guys, today, without wasting your time, I'll be showing you a new platform that you can earn cryptocurrency for free, and you not pay a single dime. So guys, without wasting your time, let's jump onto this platform right now. So guys, this is the platform I'm talking about, bubblemind.com. Don't worry about the link, it's in the description box below. Kindly open the description box and sign up a new account. So in order for you to sign up a new account, you just need to click on the start mining. Then all you need to do again is to go to your Binance, then you copy your USDT TRC20 wallet address over here. So over here we will click on deposit. So with the deposit, we just need to click on the Tron TRC20. So we just need to copy. Okay, so guys, over here we just paste our TRC20 wallet address over here. Then we input our password. Then we click on start mining. So guys, as you can see from here, we've been redirected to our account dashboard over here. So guys, basically this is the dashboard of my account, and as you can see right now, I'm earning some USDT for myself. So guys, remember the minimum deposit over here is just 10 USDT, and the maximum deposit is 10,000 USDT over here. So guys, in order for you to earn more and more on this platform, all you need to do is to invest on this particular platform that I'm talking about over here. So with this basic miner over here, it's going for $15, and it will last for 3 days, and for that 3 days you'll be getting start profits of 25 USDT after the 3 days, which you earn 8.33 per day, and for 3 days you'll be getting 25 USDT. And the second miner is also 30 USDT, which is also going for 5 good days, and each and every day you'll be getting a profit of 10 USDT for good 5 days, which will earn you 50 USDT. So guys, 75 USDT for the third miner over here, which will be earning a total profit of 24 USDT, and for a hoop of 5 days you'll be getting a total profit of 120 USDT for yourself. So guys, this is really cool over here. And also remember, if you want to refer and earn more, you just need to click on the option button over here, then you click on the affiliate program. So after clicking on the affiliate program, you will get your referral link. So in order for you to refer to your friends, you need to upgrade to premium so that you can get the your referral link, so that you can share with your friends and family over here. So for the meantime, I will just click on my dashboard over here. I'll go back to my dashboard. And if you want to place a withdrawal here, all you just need to do is to type in your amount that you want to withdraw. You input your wallet over here, then you confirm the withdrawal over here. So guys, I've not yet hit the minimum withdrawal, so I'm just waiting so that I will hit the minimum withdrawal, and I will withdraw for everybody to see over here. So guys, also you can refer to your friends and family so that you can earn a lot of cash for yourself. So once again, if you find videos like this really informative, don't remember to like my videos, comment on it, and also subscribe to the channel and smash the bell icon for more updates whenever I release a new video on how to make money. So guys, jump onto this platform, let's make a lot of cash for ourselves right now. Guys, thank you once again for watching Crypto Denzel. Bye.